Integrations are obviously kind of scary, right? It appears in front of you as an extremely long and tedious project to maintain. However, with Junipeer, it's much more simple. We help you with registering, we help you with going around in the portal, and we also meet face-to-face to discuss details behind the business requirements. We make it straightforward, we make it very obvious and transparent. Obviously, integrations are always something more than meets the eye, but I find it quite enjoyable and satisfying to nail down what is essential for your business and to translate it to your requirements and the configuration, the solutions that we offer. Obviously, after signing the deal and going through the business details, we are registering you in our portal. This is basically a free trial that we offer at the beginning of your journey. And then, after arranging some cosmetics and some formalities within our system, we meet. This meeting is essential for us to recognize each other, who is leading the project, what is the timeline, what are the main objectives, and since that moment, you are basically with our support. We meet together and we work on it until the end. I am definitely responsible to outline the next steps for you, but our portal, our app is actually helping you as well, because if you log in, there is this incredible tab called Get Started, okay? It's a very visible tab in our system. I like to call it a magic tab because it shows you the full pipeline of the full onboarding project actually. So it's step 1, step 2, step 3, it's all one by one, which exposes to you what are the essential steps forward. After we make you comfortable within our own system, the next milestone and huge objective is actually to connect it to external platforms. This is a huge step and it requires some resources on your end, like preparing credentials. This might take some time, so it's best to prepare them beforehand. And the main objective is obviously to see those services green, to make them coexist within our platform, which will make us able to fetch data and to send data between systems. So there are a few ways on how to do it, and we usually equip you with our guides and best practice. If all the resources are prepared on your end, this can take from 1 hour to 3 hours. Actually, it might appear pretty simple. Depends on systems though. I will be forever open to help you if there are any issues and challenges on the way. When it comes to configuration, I would never get too granular from the start. My actual philosophy is quite minimalistic. I can turn on most of the essential features for you and go along the standard configuration so we can test as soon as possible. While if the outcome won't meet your standards to some degree, we can always adjust some settings. How do we make sure that your configuration and systems are stable? That's actually a moment in the onboarding that is both vital and highly enjoyable for me, because it requires direct communication and cooperation. It's the moment of testing. So when you create test samples, test resources like orders, customer IDs and everything, and we push them towards the external system in a very stable, predicting and safe environment to make sure that the outcome fits your business requirements and the system is ready to go live. So after setting up a configuration on your system and testing it properly to maintain its quality assurance, of course, we are configuring an automation. So for example, sending some entities every 10 minutes between one system and another to make it automated. And this automation is actually core of our system, because this is where the magic happens. This is where your own procedures are essentially being automatized. And this also serves as a go-live. We monitor the results, making sure that everything is green in our logs. But this is a moment also where you realize that we are automatically doing everything for you. There are moments in the onboarding when we stumble upon some problems and we face some challenges together. This is the moment where I shine, so the closer we get to the go live, the more available I become for the sake of your business. But even after the go live, the idea here is obviously to do nurturing and to investigate as much as we clear the backlog of all the errors, and we make sure that your environment is 100% stable.